Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we have an incredible useful topic to help you become a debugging pro in T-SQL. Print statement. Let's kick things off with technique 1, using print statement. This is like putting signposts in your code to help you find your way. We can print out messages, variables, values to understand what happened. Here's how it's work. You write print followed by the you want to see, for example, print debugging. My variable value is plus cast and variable name is nvarchar. Here I have used to print debugging hyphen my variable value is, and then I close the quotes plus and I use cast function here, and it is the variable name, and I put this database as nvarchar. This will show the variable values in the message tab in SQL Server Management Studio. Simple, right?